Yeah. Okay, first thing first is ensure that your camera must be on throughout the lesson. Okay, it's compulsory. Mute your mic if you have background noise. Okay, if your room is quiet enough, you want to unmute, it's okay, right? Chat function is available. You know where to find the chat function? The chat function is on the ribbon. Okay, each time when we respond, class participation, answers, we actually use the chat function. All right. Sharing feedback also, just to let you know that when you send a message to me, it is only strictly to me. That means no one else can see your messages. So if you want to talk to your classmates, say hello, they won't receive, then I'm the one who receive your message intended to your friend. Okay, so don't send any messages to any of your classmates here. Anything urgent, you may raise your hand and then you can unmute yourself to speak. Now, sometimes, many a times, not sometimes, I'm so engrossed in my teaching, writing, I may not see your hand. Okay, so if it's so urgent that you need to talk to me, let me know, okay? Even if you want to spot something that is not correct, you want to tell teacher, okay, you can just unmute yourself and speak with me. If you need to go toilet, don't need to just, don't need to ask permission. You just put across one short message saying toilet, go for toilet, will be back soon. Please come back, Okay, be mindful. The very important thing is not necessary to scribble anything. Usually, the presentation, very seldom I will ask students to write on because writing using your mouse can be quite challenging. Okay, some of them can type okay. Most of the time, the presentation, what I want to do is to listen from you through the chat function. Okay, just to check with you, you all know, right? For students who have been with me for so long, sorry, you have to bear this with me. Do you know that you have to watch your video lesson, each lesson, before you attempt the questions, right? Okay, so what to look for? If you are going for lesson 12, you must attempt lesson 12, watch the video lessons there. Okay, there'll be indicated what to watch. All right, try the sums there. And the last thing to do is to do the tutorial. The tutorial is the worksheet that is following up here. Okay, all these are called tutorial question. We call it worksheet number 26 for this week. Okay, and then if you come across things with fraction, all these, when you have problem keying in answer, you don't know how to do it. Now, raise your question. All right, somebody who wants to ask about how to use the answer key to submit your answers, do let me know. Okay, I can guide you along during the break. And then, just let me know. Using of calculator, of course, is allowed, but I just want to put this little request across. If let's say we can do mental sum, we just do it. Okay, we want to train our mind to be active and fast. Not every time, depending on calculator lah. So our learning objective today, okay, so sorry, this one is, I should click here. Today, we are doing lesson 12, okay? Let me admit someone. Let me see. Okay, then let me check who is it. Okay, accept one. All right. Almost all in. Okay. Our lesson objective today is to simplify ratio, do problems relating to rate and speed. Okay. Now, just to check, I have only 2 students submitted their answers. That is out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. May I know what is the reason for not entering into the system? May I have your responses? What is the reason for not submitting online? Any reason, any difficulty? Okay, I am typing a message here. So can you help me with that? Give me a minute. Submission. All right, so this is to everyone. Submission means online, okay? So far, only Hao Lun, Sidesh did. Rachel, Elder, let me see. Elder, are you there, Elder? Elder, I have a message for you, which is urgent. What did you send me? Rachel. Okay. Okay, let me check. Okay, Elder, I saw yours now already. It's at the top of the message. Okay, so thank you so much. Yeah, so at least I know. Thank you. Okay. If you have any reason, do let me know. Ayo, never save. So you must know. You must save and submit. That's very important. Otherwise, do also like no do. Okay. And then who else? Yun Si, I didn't see leh. So sorry. The system didn't capture leh. Yeah. Huh? So Yun Si, can you do it? Okay, for Kavi, please do them on online. Huh? Physical, because I don't see what is wrong. I cannot see. Thank you. Yeah. 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 Okay. So you see, next time must check. Make sure it's submitted. Okay. Thank you so much. All right. Yeah. As long as you do lah, at least something you see. Otherwise, if I go through, then after that you also don't know whether you got it right or wrong. Okay. So that is just a reminder lah. Now express the following ratios in the lowest term. Okay. So for lowest term, we know that for doing ratio, first thing first is we are now looking at their what? Units. If their units are different, we must convert them either into common units of the bigger unit or smaller unit. So for this time round, we have grams and kilogram here. So what we do is we convert both to gram. So we have 250 gram is to 2000 gram. And you know that in ratio, we don't even need to have unit. Basically, because when we express them in ratio, it must be in common, right? So ended up what we have will be 250 is to 2000. So we have to change them to the simplest form. Then I say, well, of course you can say, oh yeah, can use calculator. Yeah, but you do mentally, okay, it's actually 1:8. Why I know it's 8, for me, my mental sum is like that. 250, and I have 4 of the 250 is 1000, right now. So for you to have 2000, that means 8 times of 250. So all this, you must work out very fast, all right? You must even faster than keying in the calculator, which is challenging, but it's doable, okay? In time to come, your train, you need to. How about you? You're quite good in submitting homework. So how long do you usually use mental? Let's get some feedback. Do you do mental or you did rely on calculator? Yeah, for how long? Sorry, just to check, how long can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, okay. My question to you is, do you use calculator? Okay, I saw your thank you. Yeah, calculator sometimes can be faster. So actually, no, it's because calculator is faster. Certain sum you can do it mentally. You are not well trained enough lah. Okay, it's not that calculator is faster. So sometimes the number sense must be, very good so that you can work even faster. So challenge the calculator lor. Don't let the calculator control you, huh? Okay, thank you. Okay, so 1:8. All right. Let me know if my pace is too fast. All right. Just to ensure that all are catching up at the same pace. All right. Okay. So for part B says for 1.5 and 1.5 and 4.5. Now, in this aspect, you can have two things. You can change it into 3 out of 2, which is improper fraction, and 9 out of 2. So you can remove the denominator, and that will give you 3:9, and then 1:3. All right, do you get that? Okay, now for another type, you can do 1.5:4.5 also. Okay, then you times 10, you become 15, and then 45. So from here, you can see that this is 3, divided by 15 is 1, divided by 15 is 3. Okay, so either any way or of it is okay. Just to introduce you with many type of various ways lah. Okay, now for part C, minute and second, compound unit and single unit. So probably you would want to change it to what? For me, I will change it to seconds, minute and seconds. So 60, 60, 120, 120 plus 25, 145, right? And this is 60. Okay, so from here, you can even reduce it by using 5, 145 divided by 5. Okay, now we challenge, see who can give me the answer on the chat. Okay, 145 divided by 5, quickly. 145 divided by 5, mentally. Are you? Yes, yes, thank you. Okay, divide by 5, 12. This one is so faster. So 29 out of 12. Okay, thank you, Yinxi. Can go and get whatever you need, don't worry. Number D, I have this one as 1.5 liter to cm cube. So I know I need to change this to ml. From this ml, I need to change it to cm cube. Okay, so it is quite like how to say, this one will be 1500 is to 30. So from here, I can reduce it, divide by 5, 1, divide by 5, 30. So 30 is to 1. Okay, 1 here, not L, 1 here. So, wait. The divide by 1005 divide by what again? Divide by 30, sorry. Divide by 30. Okay, 30, 50. Right. Okay, for those who have not done, you can do together with me, all right? Yeah. Okay, let's check it out. Let me see. What is next? Okay. All right, given that P is to Q, 5, QR, 6, 11. So what I'm going to do for part A here, probably I do it here. Okay, part A. Given that P is to Q. Okay, P is to Q will be 5:9. Sorry, Kaden is here. Hello, Kaden. Hi, Kaden. Kaden and Elda, can you both on your camera? Yeah. I need to have you facing right in front of the camera too. Okay. Then this is 6 to 11. Okay, so 5 P and R. Now, for me to have this, what I need to do is I have this so-called common entity being repeated. You see, PQ, QR, 6:11. All right.